estate continues to be a great investment and a hedge against inflation. In the words of Mark Cussen of Investopedia, real estate is one of the time-honored inflation hedges. It's a tangible asset, and those tend to hold their value when inflation reigns, unlike paper assets. More specifically, as prices rise, so do property values. It's Friday, June 24th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. As more properties come to market, contract activity remains slower. There are 1,238 homes for sale on the shore. This is up about 5% from last week. 115 properties are coming soon, reflecting fewer as coming soon. 200 came to the market since last week's report, an increase week over week. 97 properties are temporarily off, holding steady. 79 properties went under contract, and this is on par with the past few weeks. 109 properties went to pending, fewer than past weeks. 199 properties settled in 7 days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest sale this past week was this Gentile estate in Oxford for $3,995,000. Rental inventory rose again this week to 47 for lease at $1,900 per month. These have been listed for an average of 12 days thus far. Do you have questions about the changing market? Reach out to me to discuss what's happening in the market and how it may impact your housing position. That's Maryland, The Shore Report, Friday, June 24th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week.